Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Ferrari SF90. First, make sure your smart key is inside the car. You'll find the engine start/stop button conveniently located on the steering wheel. Give it a single press to turn on the accessory mode. This illuminates the dashboard and prepares the vehicle's systems, but the engine won't be running yet. It's the first step in bringing this incredible machine to life. To fully activate your SF90, press and hold the engine start button. The car will typically default to hybrid mode, which intelligently utilizes its electric motors for initial movement and efficiency. This means you might start off silently, powered by electricity. The impressive V8 engine will seamlessly come to life and engage automatically when you demand more power or acceleration, blending electric and combustion for optimal performance. Once the car is on, you can select your preferred driving experience using the e-Manatino switch on the steering wheel. You have 4 distinct options: e-drive for pure electric, hybrid for balanced efficiency, performance for a sportier feel, and qualify mode. Engaging qualify mode unleashes the SF90 full 1,000 horsepower, prioritizing maximum performance from both the V8 engine and electric motors for an exhilarating drive. To begin driving, simply engage the drive function using the beautifully designed aluminum plate on the central tunnel. The SF90 Advanced All-Wheel Drive system provides incredible traction, ensuring confident handling and blistering acceleration. This car is designed for both thrilling performance and everyday usability. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your lifestyle. Enjoy the drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.